Heavy rains drench this mountainside in the Himalayas. The floodwaters and landslides consume the villages beneath them. This is Kishwar, a pit stop on a pilgrimage route to a Hindu temple, now in muddied ruins. It's the second week of floods in Indian-administered Kashmir. Dozens of people have been killed and hundreds remain missing.
I started running. When I looked back, I couldn't see anyone. I have no idea where all the people vanished to.
In neighboring Pakistan, search and rescue teams are trying to reach people trapped in the debris of their homes. Monsoon rains have engulfed the northern part of the country, along with Pakistan-administered Kashmir. In the Bajar district, authorities carried out a major rescue operation, one of many similar ones across this region. People in the subcontinent are used to the storms typical of the monsoon season, but disasters of this scale have become more frequent. Scientists warn climate change, coupled with unchecked development and deforestation, is worsening extreme weather events.
The combination of melting snows, ice, water, and lots of debris, this is what becomes a killer.
Villages across the region are bracing for more floods and landslides, while trying to recover from the losses they've already suffered. Hamda Salhout, Al Jazeera.
Don't miss out. Get the full picture. Subscribe to Al Jazeera for reliable news, expert insight. Like, share, stay ahead.